Hey there everyone, this is JV here from JVIT, and welcome to another Make It Mac Monday. We're so glad to have you here, and in today's episode, we're going to cover how to install an app on your Mac. Earlier in the week, I received a call from a client asking how to do this, and I thought, why keep all the goodness for one person? Why not share it with everybody? So, without further ado, here we go, how to install an app on your Mac. Oh, and if you haven't already, if you like and subscribe to the channel, that would go a long way. Thank you so much. Enjoy. So in today's lesson, we're going to install Google Chrome. Now, in order to install something on your computer, you first have to have the installation file. And in this case, we don't have it because I wanted to take you from the start. So what we'll do is we'll navigate to the internet. We'll use Safari right here. And we're going to go to everyone's favorite website, google.com. And what we'll do from here is we're going to type in what we're looking for. So I'm going to type in Chrome for Mac. Once we go to the appropriate site, we'll click there. And it'll give you the option to download it. So we'll click on that download. And Safari will put it in two places. Up top, where the download is. And if you take a look on bottom, you saw that little thing jumping right there. So what we'll do, we'll click on this. And we're going to click on that Google Chrome.dmg file. .dmg is the most common installation file type on a Mac. Just a kind of nerd note right there. Verifying all this. And then we'll go ahead, we'll click and drag Chrome into the applications folder. We'll let it go. And now if you double click on the applications folder in just a moment, you'll actually see that Google Chrome is sitting in there, which is kind of cool. So if we take a look, we see we're in the applications folder and Chrome's right there. So right now if you double click on it, it's going to open up as though it was installed on your computer because, well, it is now. Just got to go through a couple of last steps. It verifies. It says, hey, this is something that didn't come with your computer. Are you sure you want to install it? You say, yeah, open. And then you have your application installed, which is wonderful. Now, all depending, certain applications are going to ask you for a password, something that is a little more invasive on your computer, I guess you could say, than Google Chrome. Something that digs roots a little deeper may require you to do that. Something like the Microsoft Office suite, for example. But Chrome's pretty lightweight. So yeah, folks, there you have it. That's how to install Google Chrome, or most applications for that matter, on your Mac. Alright everyone, so thank you so much for joining. If you liked what you saw, if you could give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little bell icon, or even go so far as to share the link with someone who you think this could be helpful to. That would mean the world to me. Remember, JVIT is here to serve you through the means of technology. And the question of the day, what is something that if you knew how to do on your computer would make your life a million times easier? Feel free to put it in the comments section below. And if it's something that I think could be helpful to others, I'd love to cover it in a video. Alrighty. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. God bless you. And have a great day.